This is relief printmaking in just about 3 minutes. What is relief printmaking? In a nutshell, it's stamping. In relief printmaking, all the raised areas of your image will print as the high points are what catch and transfer the ink. You might ask, does that mean that I can print anything that has a raised surface? The answer to that is maybe. Let's give it a try. Ink the high points, press the item to be printed to your ink surface, and woohoo, we have a print. Although this illustrates an important aspect of printmaking, your print will be a mirror image of the block. This is especially important for when you want to print text, as you will have to carve it in reverse. Okay, but isn't carving a block complicated? Really, only if you want it to be. Printmakers have used the best materials of their time. Wood was much better than carving stone. Linoleum became easier to carve than wood. And now we have Speedy Carve that is, like one of my favorite artists, Tooley, says, like butter. How do I even begin to carve a block? You will use tools that look like these, called gouges. This is a typical beginner set with different types of cutting nibs that you can swap out of the holder. Note that if your handle rattles, it just means the extra nibs are probably stored in it. The trickiest part of this set will be changing out your nibs. You see this tiny space between the two curved pieces of metal? That is the space where you need to place your nibs when changing them from one gouge shape to another. Just twist the ferrule to loosen, slip out one nib, and place another in the spot. Tighten the ferrule again by twisting it tight, and you are all set. Now it's time to get started. Here we go. You will hold your tool so that the handle is in the palm of your hand. Practice by pressing the gouge into your block and pushing outwards away from yourself. You are now carving a block. Make sure to always carve away from yourself so you can keep all your real thumbs and fingers intact. Using a bench hook can help hold your block in place when carving, or just keep your hands out of the way. Sketching your image on your block is a good idea to help plan out what you will want to carve away and what needs to remain to print. In this example, there are two different ways that the image is carved in the block. In one, the line work that was drawn is carved away and the surrounding area will print. In the other, everything is carved away except the line that was drawn, so only the line work will print. Time to ink. The brayer transfers the ink to the high points of your block by rolling the ink out smoothly. And now to print. Place the paper on top of your inked block. Smooth the paper over the block to make contact for a good print. You can use your hands, the back of a spoon, or a baren, as I am in this image, to burnish or give even flat pressure. Once you have completely burnished the back of your paper, it is time to lift your paper from the block for the peel and reveal. Hooray! You are now a printmaker. Wait, what? Yep, that's it. You can now print this block in any color you want, as many times as you want, on any surface that you want. Seriously? Yes. So what are you waiting for? Go make your mark.